Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Now we mixing blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we mixing blue color. The alphabet of A. And the next one is B, and the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. G for goat. And the next one is H. The next one is I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite, K for kangaroo. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring M. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. The next one is P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun. T for tiger, T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. The next one is X. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we coloring alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.